Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to install Microsoft SQL Server 2012 on Windows 10 machine. So first open Google Chrome and type MS SQL Server 2012. Click on the first link. Set the language to English. You can also check the version of Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Now click on download. I have already downloaded in my download folder this one. I am using SQL Server Express Edition 64 bit. So double click on the setup. It will take some time for window configuration. Now extracting the file for the installation folder. This action will take some time, 20 or 30 seconds, maybe 40. Now click on yes. SQL Server 2012. Now click on yes. Minimize the window and focus on the installation. Now click on New SQL Server Standalone Installation. It will take some time for window configuration. This installation take 10 to 15 minutes, so I accept the license. If you will send the usage data to Microsoft feature data include information about your hardware configuration, you can also check this check button. I am leave it. Click next. It found some update 26 MB, so now it is downloaded. I am connected to the Wi-Fi network, so some update found here, and now download the update. You can also install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 or 2022, but I am using in this case SQL Server 2012. For now it is enough for me. I am working currently Microsoft SQL Server 2012 for database development. Now the update is being extracted. You can also check this table: task status, scan for product update completed, download setup file completed, extract file in progress, install setup file not started. Actually still waiting. Microsoft SQL Server 2012 introduced Microsoft with Windows Server 2012 और Windows 8 2012 Pro. SQL Server 2012 is a DBMS that manage databases. This installation takes some time to complete the installation. So now click on next. These are the features that I am installing on my Windows 10 machine. These are the description of these features, and these features already installed on my Windows 10 machine. .NET Framework 4.0, 2.0, 3.5. So here you can write the username for SQL Server 2012. I am using the default instance, my window username that I am using here. This is my window username, so I am using this username. So I check this radio button. So this is my username for Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Click on next. Click next. These are the rules that I am installing on Microsoft SQL Server. This is my system name latitude, this is my username, and this is my SQL Server username. Click next. Here see window authentication mode. You can also check this radio button. Both Microsoft SQL username or window authenticated username. Click next. Click next. Now my installation in a progress. These are the all features that I am selected in Microsoft SQL Server. Now it is installing one by one or step by step. Remember, I am using Microsoft SQL Server 2012 64 edition. Now the installation is almost completed. It will take a minute or 2 minutes. So my SQL Server 2012 installation is completed. It will take some time. Now click on close. Click close. So this is the complete installation for Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Now open SQL Server Management Studio. Now I am checking SQL Server 2012. It will work fine for me. You can import the customized user setting from SQL Server 2012 Management Studio. Now for now I am clicking no. So this is the complete installation for Microsoft SQL Server 2012. So this is my welcome screen. on Microsoft SQL Server 2012. This is my computer name, latitude. This is my SQL Server. So click on connect. So it will give me some error, cannot connect to latitude SQL Express. Click OK. Now click on option. Click latitude, only latitude, and authentication window authentication. Now click on connect. It will work fine. Now click on databases, new query. So everything's work fine for me.